Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. We're about to do the driving test at South Florida location. It is raining. It's been raining all morning. It's like early morning. It's like 7:47. But we're still gonna run through the test because she's practicing. She's good. She's ready. She's about to pass her test with what?
100.
100. See it? Just like that. She's gonna get 100. So we're gonna run through it real quick. You'll see how well she's doing. She is almost perfect right now. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. Just do me a favor and press that button. It's just one click, right? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna run through the test. So they're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
I turn the wheels to the left, away from the curb, put it into park, pull up the parking brake, and turn off my ignition.
Sweet. Alright, go ahead and do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. Alright. So they're doing that. Basically, they're doing that to make sure that your lights are working. Your brake lights working, your horns working, your turn signal lights are working. Alright? We're gonna wait for these people to back out, and then we're gonna back out and go through the test. They're doing something different. Alright, so you know they
What are you doing?
Alright, so let's back out.
Okay.
And we're gonna go to the left. So you're gonna pull up about here and stop. They'll tell you when to stop, right? And we're gonna reverse in a straight line. So you gotta look behind you and reverse. Try to look through here. Look this way. Yeah. And just let it roll straight back. So if you're straight when you stop here, it will definitely be straight when you stop. So make sure you're looking back there. Make sure you're straight. Keep going. They'll tell you when to stop actually. Alright. Stop about here. Alright, it's raining, so they normally would not make you do the speed up. Stop for a second. But we're gonna do it just for the video, right? So speed up to 20, do a sudden stop, push it, and stop. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna go around the corner, and I'm gonna tell you to stop as soon as you go around the corner, because the examiners generally do that. So go around the corner, and then I'll tell you when to stop. Alright, stop here. And now they're gonna tell you the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna park in between these cones. So go ahead and park, so you pull close to your right side as you pull down there. And we're going to park in between the cones. So you definitely have to signal left. So every single time that they tell you to turn, you signal. Right? So we're gonna go up and line up the mirror. Go up a little bit more, line up the mirror. Like that, turn all the way left, and then we're going to roll into the parking space, and that is pretty perfect. Alright, now we're gonna reverse from here, and we're gonna go to the left to do the 3-point turn. Alright, so you reverse. When your mirror is past the middle here, you're gonna stop. When your mirror is past the middle, like right there. And then you're gonna pull up to the left, pull close to the right side so we can do the 3-point turn. And they'll tell you when to stop. So go forward until I say stop. Stop about here. Alright, 3-point turn. So you signal left, turn all the way left until the wheel stops. And you're gonna stop before you hit the curb. Put the car back in reverse. All the way to the right. And you're gonna look behind you as you reverse. When your mirror is past the middle, you're gonna stop like that. Put it back in drive. And you see, she's doing it perfectly, like an expert. Nice and fast. Do you remember when you first started, girl? That is sweet. So we're gonna go up to the stop sign and make sure you stop completely. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Go into your right lane, you're making a left turn. So they're gonna say make a left and then make a, this time we're gonna go to the second left, right? So sometimes they say make a quick left, sometimes they say go to the second left. So go to the second left and we're going to make a left turn. So again, make sure you signal. Alright, so it's now 7:52, so they open in 8 minutes. So we gotta get over there. So you're gonna pull up to the, up somewhere up here, they're gonna tell you to stop, straighten up and pull forward. And you see the cars are here so you can see, but go.
Right.
Yeah. Alright, stop right here. And they're gonna hand you the paper here that says you have passed your test with how much?
100.
100. 100, that's what I'm saying. That's the goal. That is always the goal. We shoot for 100 every time. And most of the time we hit it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you see she's doing super. I don't even have to say that. She's doing perfectly. Everything perfectly, as I should say. So yeah, just go ahead and like the video, share the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, I'm literally begging you to subscribe. I'm serious. I need people to subscribe. Help me to build a channel. I'm almost at 9,000 subscribers, but really, go forward. I should be at 100,000 by now, literally. So help me to get it up past 10,000. At least by the end of the year, I should be at 10,000. I thought I'd be at 20,000 by now, but okay, 10,000. I'll take that. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.